My shirt says mom mode and it's serious. This is quarantine COVID helping with first grade worksheets and making sign language ones all at the same time while my neighbor is home jamming to music. Ah! Anyways, okay, I'm gonna sign this. We're gonna back up here to the one that I ended on here. So this with the mountains and the river. There's some high quality videos, folks. All right, so we're gonna start with the river. So closest to your body is the bottom. Like if you're drawing a square on a paper, the river here would be like this. And then you keep your hands in the place so that you can kind of see the location and where the next item is. So here's our river kind of going from the left, bottom, right, up to the left. And then I'm going to keep this river here. And then I have the red flowers and they're over here on the bottom left of your paper. And then I could keep these here or the river just to show the location. Kind of the river is kind of the central thing. And then the grass is here and there's grass here. And then the river, and then you might set up the mountain and then next to it a mountain. And then if you're talking about the sun shining down up on the edge of the mountains, so that you can draw that in your picture. All right, so here's one to try on your own, and then I'll show you the picture. This one's just kind of for practice, and then we'll walk through it before you do your homework practice. All right, so have your little square piece of paper or square that you're going to draw this in, and then we'll work through it kind of slow. So all right, so take a look at it. Okay, we'll come back to it as we walk through it. All right, so we have the river that's going from the bottom left of your paper, kind of up through the middle-ish. And then the bridge is kind of coming right here in the front of your paper over. And then at the end of the bridge is a path going to the back left of your paper. And there's a house. Remember, this is the classifier 5 for a house or a building. So it's right there. And then there's a tree behind the house, kind of actually a forest of trees behind the house back here. And then the sky, and grass all around the sides of the house on both sides. All right, so here's the picture one more time. So in your test, there's going to be 5 elements that you need to know. So like the words like bridge, the difference between river, road. Remember, there's also hallway that kind of looks similar. So there's going to be 5 elements. So you get a point for the 5 elements. 1 for the element, like flowers, bridge, grass, house, tree. And then you also get 1 point if it's in the right spot. So in that the house is on the left, the bridge is on the front right, the trees are in the distance, that they're in the right location. If you have any questions, there's tutoring going on, or feel free to email and ask questions.